I'm Michelle from Legal Suite, and this is part 12 of capturing a party in the address book, the relationship screen. Now, please note for the purposes of this, I am using a party that I have previously captured, and we are simply working our way down the various options. Right, as soon as I click on relationships, you will see that a relationship already exists in this particular screen. And I refer you back to part 2A, the marital tab, whereby I created a reciprocal party using the create a party button there. And what the program has automatically done, it has created a relationship between the party I created from the marital screen and this particular party. So what it's done, it took the husband's details, let's just make that live, and the little button that said create a party, which now no longer exists on the screen because I've already used that function. The program has now created a relationship between Stephen Jones and Samantha Jones, that of spouses. Now, this can be used in various ways. You can create spousal relationships between husband and wife. You can create parent-child relationships. You can create director-company relationships, employer-employee relationships, and so on and so forth. So for this particular example, I'm going to create an additional relationship, that of employer and employee, between this party, Samantha Jones, and an existing party in my address book. Right, so in order to insert another entry in the screen, I click on the yellow insert button, and the program will say, right, what sort of relationship do you wish to create between this particular person and any other party in the address book? So I'm going to say that Samantha Jones is not the employer, but rather an employee of another party in the address book. And if I go to the ellipse button, Legal Suite will give me a list of all my existing address book parties. So I'm going to choose ABC Builders and say select. So what this has done, it said that Samantha Jones is an employee of ABC Builders, and if I want to insert a reciprocal relationship that ABC Builders is the employer of Samantha Jones, I simply pop the tick in and it will create that particular relationship. And if I say OK, I there see the employee relationship. Now, if I save this and I go to ABC Builders, under the relationship screen on that particular entry, you will see the reciprocal relationship I've just captured. So let's say OK. Let's scroll up to ABC Builders. There he is there. Let's edit with the edit button. And if we go down to the relationships, you will see that there Samantha Jones appears in the screen. So this is how we create relationships between parties. Now, this works to great effect, particularly in the conveyancing space, where you have an estate agency. So, for example, you have Pam Golding, and at the relationships, you can list all the estate agents that work there. And you can use this sort of in the client relationship manager space. You can also use it between in the commercial litigation space or the drafting space. You have a company, and there you have all the various directors, or close corporation and all of its members, and so on and so forth.